Hello students, Ncert solutions, class 12 physics. Chapter is electric charges and fields. Question number 6. 4-point charges QA is equal to 2 microcoulomb, QB is equal to minus 5 microcoulomb, QC is equal to 2 microcoulomb, and QD is equal to minus 5 microcoulomb are placed at the corners of the square ABCD of side 10 cm. What is the force on a charge of 1 microcoulomb placed at the center of the square? In this question given that 4 charges are placed at the corner of the square. Suppose this is a square ABCD. Here this A, QA is equal to here 2 microcoulomb. Here this point B, and the value of charge QB is equal to minus 5 microcoulomb. Here point C, and the charge is QC is equal to 2 microcoulomb. Here this D, and the charge on it is equal to QD is equal to, this is minus 5 microcoulomb. And at the center of this square, suppose this center O, and a charge of 1 microcoulomb, Q is equal to 1 microcoulomb is placed at the center, and the side of this square is 10 centimeter. Each side is 10 centimeter. Now, from this we can write OA is equal to the distance of the each corner from the center, that is OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to, this is OD, and this is equal to square root of this tan square plus tan square by 2, or this is equal to 5 root 2 centimeter, or this is 5 root 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Now force is exerted on the charge of 1 microcoulomb placed at the center, placed at point O are, first of all, the force due to this charge QA is equal to 2 microcoulomb on this charge is given by, this is FA is equal to, force due to this on this charge FA is equal to, this is K, Q1 Q2 upon distance square, and the value of K is 9 into 10 to the power, this is 9 into 10 to the power 9, and the charge QA, this is 2 microcoulomb, micro means 10 to the power minus 6, and this Q2 is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon distance square, distance is, this is 5 root 2, these are 5 root 2 into 10 to the power minus 2, this whole square, and this is equal to, on solving, this is equal to 3.6 Newton. And the direction of this force, because both are positive, therefore direction is here, this is direction is here, and this is represented by FA, and this force is FA here, and here this is along OC, along OC, right? Now the force FB due to this on this charge FB is equal to again the same formula, and this is 9 into 10 to the power 9 into charge is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 into Q2, this is 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by distance square, distance is in 5 root 2 into 10 to the power minus 2, this whole square. Now on solving this is equal to 9 Newton, and this is along OB, because this charge is negative charge and this is positive, therefore there is an attractive force, and this is here, this is FB, right? Now the force FC is given by this same formula, 9 into 10 to the power 9 into this is 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by distance. This distance is same, 5 root 2 into 10 to the power minus 2, this whole square, and this is on solving 3.6 Newton, and the direction is along, this is OA, this is direction is along OA, right? Because this positive charge and this is positive, therefore repulsive force, here this is FC, this FC, right? Now the force FD is equal to, formula is again same, and on putting the values, this is 9 into 10 to the power 9 into this is 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 1 into 10 to the power this minus 6 upon this is 5 root 2 into 10 to the power minus 2, this whole square, and this is equal to again 9 Newton, and the direction of this force is along OD, direction of this force is along OD, and here it is, the direction of this is here along OD, because this negative and this positive charge, therefore this is attractive force, Now from here it is clear that here this force FC is equal to with minus FA, and this FD is equal to, force FD is equal to minus FB. Direction opposite but equal in magnitude, therefore hence the total force F vector is equal to, this is FA vector plus FB vector plus this FC vector plus this is FD vector, or this is FA and this plus FB, but you know this FC is equal to minus FA and FD is equal to minus FB, therefore the resultant force is 0 Newton. Right? Now here हमने यहाँ पर टोटल फोर्स कैलकुलेट किया 1 माइक्रोकूलम चार्ज पर इन सभी चार्जेस के कारण, तो ये दोनों आपस में इक्वल इन मैग्नीट्यूड बट अपोजिट इन डायरेक्शन. Similarly, these two forces are also, this is here FD force, and these two forces are also equal in magnitude but opposite in direction, therefore cancel to each other. ये दोनों आपस में कैंसिल, ये दोनों भी आपस में कैंसिल, and hence the net force on the charge 1 microcoulomb placed at the center of the square is 0 Newton, And this is the answer of this problem. This is the answer of this problem. Thank you.